Hi everyone, welcome to RPA Explorers channel.
Hope you all are doing good. So this is going to be the continuation of my previous video, which is on Microsoft Outlook, where we have seen how you can send email and get emails from the specific email ID using Microsoft Outlook account. We are going to use the same activity, which is get emails, and let's concentrate on few other methods like how you can mark your email as read or unread. So let's pick the method which is mark as read. So if we haven't watched the previous video, make sure you watch it to understand everything in detail. And let me quickly explain what we are doing here. Here we are using this set account method to set the Microsoft account to be used. And then we are using get emails method. We are applying the respective filters. And also for the filter, we are using subject, which is equals to the particular name. And looping through each email from the given list, getting the email. After we get the email, I'm using this method which is mark as read. Instead of getting the email, we have to mark as read. So let me delete this method and let's add this where it requires mail ID. So wherever the input parameter is mail ID, make sure you use this method which is get email and using a for loop to loop through each mail IDs one by one. All set, and now we are going to run this. Before which our subject name is demo on email connector. So I have marked few emails which is demo on email connector as unread. Now I'm making the emails to be read by the bot. Let's run this. So this is completed. Let's quickly go and see. If you see, it has marked all the emails as read. So similarly, we have other activity which is mark as unread. So now let's remove this and we'll configure the same with unread. Clear the logs. So currently I don't have any emails marked as read. We'll do the same now. So this is also completed, and if you see, it has marked all the top 10 email which is on specific subject as unread. So this is how we can make use of this mark read and mark as unread. And also we'll see the next method which is called save email. So this is nothing but saving your email ID on the given file path. So here it requires email ID. So let me remove this and configure the same. So here you have to provide the file path. So I'm going to save my email as message format, which is nothing but dot message. So let's type the path like save mail method dot msg. And the next parameter is save type. Like on what format you want to save the type. So we have different formats, like if you want to go with the text format or rich text format, message, document, HTML. So we have different format, and now I'm just going with the message one. Let's save this and run this now. Okay, we have an error. Let's look at the error. As we are looping through different mail IDs, it is trying to overwrite the same email which is already saved in the first loop. For example, when the bot runs for the first time, we will be able to see the new email which is saved in the given folder. When the bot runs for the second loop, again it is trying to save the email, but it was already existing in the previous run, and hence we have the error. So what we can do is we can have some dynamic names over here. For example, let me take format. So I'll take this format text where we'll have two parameter which is 0 and 1. So let's add those two parameter. So would be my name of the email, which is save email. So 2 would be my counter. You can either have some random counter or some different variable. As I want to be something dynamic, let's pick like random, which give us some random string or random number. So I'm going to pick this. Particular component will give us some random number on the given limit. So currently our minimum number is 1 to 1000. So when I execute this, I get some random number which is 866. So I'll rerun this now, and this time you get some different number. So just give some random number. So I'll just go with the default one we'll have here, and this should be the file path now. So let me quickly run this, and this time we shouldn't have an error. So this is successful, and you can see all the emails with the given subject got saved in the given folder. So let's open the first email. Maybe I'll open with notepad. As we haven't given anything, any extension, it is kind of not opening. So let me add the extension over here, which is message. So now we have the email. So yeah, here you can view all the emails over here. This is how you can make use of the save mail method. So in the next video we'll see the rest of the method, and thank you so much for watching this video.